Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect your Instagram account with Squarespace and how you can show your Squarespace products on your Instagram shop. So let's get right into it. Now, first thing you're going to need to do is set up an Instagram shop yourself. I'm not sure exactly how that is done, so I would recommend checking out other tutorials if you want. But once you set that up and have an actual business account with which you can work and actually be a member of Instagram shopping and actually set up a shop. Once you have that, then you can actually start integrating it with Squarespace, and there is a couple of things you can do on Squarespace itself. So let's get right into it. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into product and services, click on selling tools, and then you're going to see products on Facebook and Instagram, and this is pretty much the main integration you're going to be using to actually sell your products on Instagram. You can also sell on Facebook as well. Since it's all a meta product, you can just connect the two, and it is a very easy and very good way of expanding your business. And you can easily just click on this, and here you'll be asked to connect with Facebook and Instagram. And once you connect with your account and log in, you'll be able to select what you're going to want to use, either Facebook ads, the Facebook marketplace, or Instagram shopping. Of course, you're going to want to select Instagram shopping. And once you're done with that, you can also do a couple of different things. You can go into your settings, then go into third-party tools, connected accounts, and you can click connect account and connect your Instagram account as well. I would recommend it doing this first, however, so that you connect your accounts as well, and I'm pretty sure it will connect your account here as well, so you won't need to use the extra steps. But pretty much that is all you need to do. After you select what you want, you just follow all the instructions that are there, and then you'll be able to sell your product on Instagram as well. It'll sync up, and whenever somebody actually searches for your products on Instagram, they'll be taken to your Squarespace site on your storefront so that they can purchase those items. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.